Verifone is currently the most responsive manufacturer in the field. Not just are they responsive, but their new product line is amazing. They are really listening to their customers and working with their product team to develop an amazing new suite of products. The Victa line is a good example. The infrared camera on top of the M425 to pick up on skimming devices is another good example. Terminals are using facial recognition. Giving more security and giving the feeling of security is very helpful. Secondly, operating systems. It used to be there's only one operating system, but now many Verifone products have the opportunity to use Android operating system as well. And so that's another opportunity for a customer to be able to use other parts of the Verifone ecosystem. Our focus is customer experience. Because Verifone has the Verifone Premier portal, we're able to get downloads and encryptions and load them on terminals and get them out to our customers very quickly. The other thing that's done is helped us with repairs. We're currently starting a new repair program with Verifone so we can help our customers get their units back up and running as quickly as possible. Other manufacturers have not given us the keys to the kingdom in terms of the software or the parts. What we're doing with Verifone is we're going to be able to repair the newer line of equipment, including the Engage units, the P400s, the V400Ms, the M400s, etc. So that's going to help our customers ship in equipment, get them turned around and back out in the field so they can take payments more quickly. Verifone has offered us training, has helped us understand better how we can work and collaborate together. We've been a 22-year Verifone partner and we really enjoy working with the Verifone team.